Hello everybody, welcome to Country Girl with Kathy Jarvis. And it's December, means it's getting colder outside, so it's time to start thinking about the safety of your car and what you've got inside of it for your protection. Now, we usually do a tune-up about this time of year, and in fact my husband's getting new tires put on right now because our tune-up said that the tires were bad. So while he's away doing that, I unpacked everything out of the car, or he unpacked everything out of the car, and I'm going over it to make sure it's still working in good working order and that we have everything that we need for this winter. So the first thing on my list is a car charger for the cell phone. Okay, and then this one is so neat. Okay, what I like about this particular cell phone charger is that you can put two cell phones in at the same time. Plus, if you fold this back, it allows a place to store the cable, so you don't have the cable running around loose. So this is nice, and fits into your cigarette lighter, so you always have power for your cell phone. Another thing that you need to have is either a road flare or a triangle. Now, I like this little safety kit that I have because it has the triangle right on the outside of it, so I can just set it out. And this kit has everything you need in it. You have a flashlight and a place for your batteries. Remember, never store your batteries in your flashlight, because if you do, they're more likely to corrode. So you put the batteries here. You need jumper cables, basic tool tars, a socket wrench, screwdrivers, air gauge, hose tape, some gloves, and I usually keep some rags in here too. I'll have to put some rags in there. See, good reason to be checking this. Another thing that you should keep is a tire inflator, and you should check and make sure it works, which I have. Also, I keep these easy jumpers in the car. Also, a snow scraper, some hand warmers and some toe warmers, and a change of clothes, especially socks. I usually just keep sweats in there, and then the batteries for the flashlight. You need to keep those in there. And then the rest of the stuff I keep out here. You should have some kitty litter to put underneath the tires to help with traction. I like these frost shields. If you're going to be at work or something and you want to not have to scrape snow and stuff when you get off from work, put those on, and that'll keep your windshield clear. A folding shovel, so you can move any dirt and snow out of the way. Some extra windshield wipe, and some brake fluid. It's also a good idea to keep some motor oil also, and some bottled water, some emergency snacks, and your blanket. Always keep a blanket in the car. There should be one blanket for every person in the car. Another good thing to keep on hand is a fire extinguisher and a first aid kit. First aid kits are very important. So that is what you should have in your car. You should also have know where your lug nut and jacks are, so you know how to change where everything's at to change the tire if you need it. Have a spare tire. Let's see, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. That's about does it. I can't think of anything else. I don't have anything else written on my little list either. So hopefully you can get all this together and get it in your car and be safe this winter. Remember, when it snows and when it rains, it gets a little slippery. So slow down and take account of the weather. So be safe, have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you later. Bye, everybody. Remember, like it, subscribe to it, share it with your friends, hit that bell icon so you know when I'm on next, and dream big and follow that dream. Bye, everybody.